Hi everyone. I'm Alice and I'm here with Jenny. Today we're going to be talking about exploring the mysteries of the universe. I'm feeling hopeful today because there's so much we've discovered and so much more to learn.
Hi Alice. I'm excited to be here. The universe is such a fascinating topic and there's always something new to discover.
That's right. So let's start by talking about what we know about the universe.
Well, we know that the universe is vast and contains billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars. We also know that the universe is expanding and that it began with the Big Bang.
That's amazing. And what about the things we don't know?
There are still many mysteries in the universe that we have yet to solve. For example, we don't fully understand dark matter or dark energy, which make up most of the universe.
That's true. But scientists are making new discoveries all the time. Just recently, they discovered a new type of black hole.
Yes, and there are also many exciting missions planned to explore our solar system and beyond. Another mystery that scientists are trying to solve is the origin of life. How did life begin on Earth, and is there life elsewhere in the universe?
That's a great question, Jenny. There are many theories about how life began on Earth, but we still don't know for sure. And as for life elsewhere in the universe, there are many places where it could potentially exist. For example, there are moons in our own solar system that have subsurface oceans that could support life. That's so exciting to think about. And what about the search for extraterrestrial intelligence?
The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, is an ongoing effort to detect signals from other civilizations in the universe. So far, no definitive signals have been detected, but the search continues.
It's fascinating to think that we might not be alone in the universe. And even if we don't find any signals, the search itself teaches us so much about our place in the cosmos.
That's right, Alice. The universe is full of mysteries, and there's so much more to discover. Who knows what we'll learn next?
I can't wait to find out. Another topic that's always fascinating to discuss is the possibility of time travel. Is it possible to travel through time? According to the laws of physics, time travel to the future is theoretically possible. But traveling to the past is much more uncertain.
That's right. There are many theories about how time travel to the past could be possible, but we still don't know if it's actually achievable.
It's fun to think about what we could do if we could travel through time. But even if we can't, studying the possibility of time travel teaches us so much about the nature of time itself.
And speaking of time, another mystery of the universe is the nature of time itself. What is time and why does it seem to flow in one direction?
That's a deep question. Scientists are still trying to understand the nature of time and why it behaves the way it does.
Yes, and there are many theories about the nature of time, but we still have much to learn. The universe is full of mysteries, and there's always something new to discover. Another fascinating topic is the nature of consciousness. What is consciousness, and how does it arise?
That's a great question. Consciousness is still a mystery and scientists are still trying to understand how it arises from the activity of the brain.
There are many theories about the nature of consciousness, but we still don't have a complete understanding of how it works.
It's amazing to think about all the things that our brains are capable of. And understanding consciousness could help us unlock even more of our potential.
And speaking of the brain, another mystery is the nature of memory. How do we store and retrieve memories, and why do we sometimes forget things?
That's a great question. Scientists are still trying to understand how memory works and why it sometimes fails us.
Yes, and there are many theories about how memory works, but we still have much to learn. The universe is full of mysteries, and there's always something new to discover. Another topic that I find fascinating is the nature of reality. What is reality, and how do we perceive it?
That's a great question. Reality is a complex concept and scientists are still trying to understand how we perceive the world around us.
There are many theories about the nature of reality and how our brains construct our perception of the world. Some scientists believe that reality is objective and exists independently of our perception, while others believe that reality is subjective and constructed by our minds.
It's amazing to think about all the different ways that we can perceive the world. And understanding how our brains construct reality could help us better understand ourselves and the world around us.
And speaking of perception, another mystery is the nature of sensory experience. How do we experience the world through our senses, and how do our brains process this information?
That's a great question. Our senses provide us with a wealth of information about the world around us, and scientists are still trying to understand how our brains process this information to create our sensory experiences. Yes, and there are many theories about how our brains process sensory information, but we still have much to learn. The universe is full of mysteries, and there's always something new to discover.
Another topic that I find fascinating is the nature of the universe itself. What is the universe made of, and how did it come to be?
That's a great question. Scientists have made many discoveries about the universe and its origins, but there is still much we don't know.
One of the biggest mysteries of the universe is its composition. We know that the universe is made up of matter and energy, but there is also a mysterious substance called dark matter that makes up most of the universe. Scientists are still trying to understand what dark matter is and how it interacts with the rest of the universe.
And what about the origins of the universe? How did it all begin?
The most widely accepted theory about the origins of the universe is the Big Bang Theory. According to this theory, the universe began as a singularity, an infinitely hot and dense point. From this singularity, the universe expanded and cooled, eventually forming galaxies, stars, and planets.
That's amazing to think about. And what about the future of the universe? What will happen to it in the end?
There are many theories about the future of the universe, but we still don't know for sure what will happen. Some scientists believe that the universe will continue to expand forever, while others believe that it will eventually collapse in on itself in a big crunch.
The universe is full of mysteries, and there's always something new to discover. I can't wait to see what we'll learn next. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the mysteries of the universe. We hope you enjoyed our conversation and learned something new.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating discussions about the universe and its mysteries.
We'll be back soon with more exciting topics to explore. Until then, keep exploring the mysteries of the universe. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.